Hello, my fellow moneymakers. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to present you a best VPN affiliate programs that you can join right now and that you can make money with. I'm going to present you the best ones, and I'm also not only going to present you those affiliate programs, but I'm going to present you a way how you can actually make money with those affiliate programs. Now, the first one I prepared for you is Ipvanish. Ipvanish is a great affiliate program because of two reasons. That yes, you have up to 100% of new sales generated. So let's say someone would get like VPN for $100, you would get those $100. That's just example. And the second thing, really important, as you can read, up to 35% of all subscription renewals. So what does it mean? Let's say someone will be paying $100 for VPN. I know it's like kind of expensive, but we are talking about the realm of examples now. First, you would get $100, and then you would get another 35% of it. So that's another $35. So if someone is going to pay $100 for 2 years, the first month you would get $100, and then you would get $35 every single month, which is pretty effective and pretty good. Now, Ipvanish is great in this regard. My definite recommendation is not only focus on one affiliate program, you want to focus on multiple VPN affiliate programs that I'm going to show and create content about each of those. Only because what I'm seeing every time is that plenty of people, YouTubers, bloggers are focusing on one niche. They are talking only about like Nordvpn and that's it. What you want to do is to create as much content as possible. And if you like to create a YouTube videos and you want to create YouTube about VPN, I can help you with that. I got free mini course down below in the description that you can join if you want to. Now, the second one that I prepared for you is a Nordvpn. You definitely know it. And as you can see, they got also renewals. So again, you see that 6 months offer, someone's going to sign up, you will get 40% of it. So let's say someone is going to buy a 6 months offer for, I don't know how much that would cost, let's say $100. You would get 40%. So that's like, I don't know, $40. And then if they would like again with the same customer after 6 months, they would pay another 6 months, you would get another 30% of those $100, which is $30. Again, I definitely recommend joining affiliate programs which are going to offer you renewals. That's a great way how you can actually make money, and that's something that I definitely recommend for you to do. Now, the third one I prepared for you is Expressvpn. They are really like popular right now too with the affiliate. You see that you can join it too and get promoted the world leading VPN provider, get a competitive commissions with a fast payouts. So this one is good too. And when you will look on Expressvpn on our popularity, VPN, and we see it on Google right here, you see that it's getting more and more popular every single month. This is a great tool that you can download, and I definitely recommend for you to download it. It's called Keywords Everywhere, and you can see the data about it. Why is it important? Only because you can see which you shouldn't use, which affiliate you shouldn't join, because you shouldn't make you shouldn't make videos about or like content about company which is literally dead. Let's say WordPress. I know this will sound harsh, but let's just keep in mind WordPress. Look at the popularity of WordPress. If I would be in 2013, 12, 14, I would be creating a lot of content. But right now, plenty of people who created content about WordPress plugins, etc., they got really dominated the market. So that's something I will be really careful about joining WordPress, maybe Squarespace, maybe Wix. Wix is really popular. So that's something that I would definitely do. And that's something I would definitely go with this way. And that's something how we can actually make money. Now, Strong VPN, another tool, really great. Save 65% of powerful VPN feature. And when I go affiliate, let me show you. Up to 200% commission. Best commission rates, all bonuses of one are paid out automatically every month. Make up 200, that's pretty good. So that's like really great way how you can make money. And again, Strong VPN, if you see the popularity, So I'll be definitely creating content about it. You can create YouTube videos. As you can see, it's not that popular as it was. But if we can go and write with the space, let's see what we see here. Yep, not really popular, but people are still using it. So I recommend like joining it, testing it out. And the last one I prepared for like the last two is a Surfshark. When we go here, affiliate, and you see it here, general commissions, fast payouts, and you're gonna make like more money. So that's something that I would definitely join to. And again, they get like really similar payouts and everything. But again, with the Nordvpn and Ipvanish, they are the best ones in affiliate on how much you can make money. So that's what I would definitely focus on. Now, what is really great about what I like about Surfshark is that they got good landing pages for ads, and they got also good ways how they selling their product. And when we look on a Surfshark, you see that popularity is like booming. So this is one of the landing pages I think they have. Yes, look at this. This is top notch. And $250 a month, and you would make a lot of money. You would make like 40%. And you can start creating YouTube videos like Surfshark versus excuse me, Nordvpn. You can make video like that, or Expressvpn. There are plenty of tutorial Ipvanish, right? Look at this, no one made a video on this. You can make and just make money through the affiliate. So that's something you can definitely do and create. That's something I recommend for you to do. And the last one is a pure VPN. And when I'm going to like here, right here, pure VPN affiliate. Look at this. Earning now. And now you see that how much will I earn? Traffic per month. Let's say 614. Traffic is organic. Okay, this is 2K a month. Let's say I would have like 300 clicks, 1,000 a month. So earning potential is pretty good. And that's something that I recommend for you to do. And this is pretty much it how you can make money with a VPN affiliates. My recommendation is to go start creating YouTube videos or writing articles. It's like up to you which journey you like go with. And yeah, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I created many courses. Right now I'm point I make like 10 to 15K a month, which is pretty good. And I really believe that you can make money too. But you just have to create a lot of content. It's not going to be like you're going to create 5 videos and then you're going to grow. It's like tens or even hundreds. I got more than 5,000 videos on YouTube right now, and it took me a really long time to succeed. So not long time, 2 years, but from the online world, it's a long time. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.